Hi guys, and welcome to DIY with Nadia. So today I have a Goodwill haul for you. This is the first Goodwill haul for this channel, and I'm really excited because I think I really did well. With that being said, let's get into this video. I had to stand in line for half an hour, at least half an hour, just to get in because there was, capacity issue and stuff. So I was so happy when I finally got in because I needed things to DIY this week. And I think I did well. Now, some of the things that I won't be DIYing and I need to show you is this. So for $6.99, I think it was $6.99, right? $6.99. I'll insert pictures. I got this whole tub of greenery, and yes, I did spray it down. My husband helped me. We took it all outside. We sprayed it down, and so I wanted to show you at least why I would pay $7 for the greenery. This was obviously a wedding, but there are things in here that I really wanted. So let's just get some of those out. Let's see here. I love that this bouquet has some greenery, and it's not Dollar Tree greenery. This is beautiful greenery, and it has some of these little guys, the little pearls, which I'm going to take apart, and then these beautiful lilies. And look at these roses. These roses, this is one rose. Look at this. It's beautiful and big, and sometimes in DIYs you need a big flower here, there, and I personally am not a big fan of Dollar Tree roses for my DIY, so I thought this would be good. And then they have like these that are pretty too, but the biggest reason that I got these, I mean, look at this, you guys. This is just one bundle, just one. And this was $8.99. $8.99 for, it looks like for this bundle, it was $8.99 is what the price tag says on here. And look how long. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to store all this, or how I'm going to maybe share this, give it to my family or something. But the greenery, you can imagine, is non-stop. It's all tangled. Sorry guys, hold on. More greenery. I'm just going to throw it on the floor. We untangled it, but then, there you go. And so there's many of these, so I will be using these in my DIYs. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take apart the different greeneries. Like if I see something that's kind of damaged and I wouldn't be using, I would get rid of it. But here's the thing. They also had this. They had beautiful grapes. This is 2 bundles. They tie them together with some fishing wire or lure or whatever you want to call it. But they had so many grapes in here. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's a few more in there. Oh, they're tangled. But grapes, and grapes are not cheap. I have been wanting to do a grape wreath for a while, or some DIY. I think I can definitely just decorate my kitchen with some of this. Or do some kind of theme DIY or something with all these grapes. So very excited about these. Let's see. More grapes. So basically I got it not for the greenery, because the greenery is okay. And I'll definitely be using it. More grapes. But it's the pretty bouquet and all the grapes. Look at this. More grapes. I think there's a few more in there. just look at all these grapes and the things I can do with them. That is basically why I took it. So I will still be going through this again because like, look at this. This is very pretty greenery. Very, very beautiful. All right, I'm gonna put that away now. But yeah, so basically I bought it because of all these grapes, and they're worth it because they're expensive, they're not cheap, and I really wanted them. And then the floral bouquets, you know, there's so many flowers and roses and all of that. Definitely will be using those. Okay. Now, I did get a few more things. It's not just that. So then I got this. And so that day that I was there, anything with a pink sticker, which this one is half off. So this was $1.99 and I paid 99 cents. Not bad. It's a little lantern, and I have a DIY in mind for it. So I thought this was not bad for 99 cents. I thought this was a good price, and it's pretty large. It's pretty nice big size. Then I do love an Eiffel Tower. Just wanted to show you a little Eiffel Tower that I have on display in the back. I love Eiffel Towers. So this is an Eiffel Tower candle holder right there, and I'm going to jazz it up. So I got that. Then the Eiffel Tower was $2.99, so I paid $1.50. That had a pink sticker. Then I got these, and I'm fairly sure this is silver. I mean, very, very sure, because I tried. But I didn't want to, you know, clean it before showing you guys. And these were 50 cents each, meaning I paid 50 cents for both of them. So I don't know if these are shot glasses or something, but they're little silver chalices, little mini silver chalices. And I thought they were so cute, and I can use them in a few things that I have in mind for decoration, basically. The next thing I got was this plate and saucer, and this was $1.99, pink sticker, so that means I paid 99 cents. And look how simple and clean this is. I do have a DIY in mind for it, but then I thought there was another one, and I'm like, why did I not take the second one? It's plain white. It's clean, plain white, you know? So I should have. Maybe I'll go back, but I doubt that it's gonna be there. So I did get that. And then one more thing to show you guys. And this I paid full price for because I wanted it for somebody. And this was $3.99 because see, it has a green sticker. And it's this jewelry box that comes out. Woo! Okay, so I will be updating it and transforming it into something pretty. And the person that I'm doing this for already picked the color that she wants and the things that she wants on there. And so I'm very, very excited to have this, you know, made over and look new and beautiful. So there you go. We got that. Okay, and I think that is it. How do you think I did, you guys? The florals I shared, but once again, for all the florals, all of that, I paid $6.99, and it was not half off, but I knew that if I wasn't going to take it, there's no way it would have stayed till, you know, the day that was going to be on sale. So I did decide to get it, and I will figure out what to do with all the greenery. I don't need all that for sure, because I just did a Michael's haul with all floral. So anyway, let's round off this video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are amazing. How did I do What do you guys think? Let me know down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.